So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the row and column width of a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go ahead and add a table to your design. So here's a table right here. Simply just go ahead and press whatever table you're looking for. So I'll press this orange one, for example. Now if you want to change the width or how wide each cell is within the table, it's super simple. I press on the table right here, scroll down to where it says width right here. Now by default it is 215 points. You can go ahead and make it larger by increasing the arrow this way. So if you want to stretch it out and make your table a little bit wider, you can do that. If you want to make it a little bit thinner, you can do the exact opposite just by pressing on down and making the table as thin or as thick or as wide or as narrow as you are looking for. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit and adjust the row and column width of a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.